Bats, shadows of the night sky. As twilight descends upon the world, a silent transformation takes place in the spaces between light and darkness. The air, still warm from the day's sun, begins to vibrate with an invisible energy as the first shadows detach themselves from crevices in ancient trees and rocky outcrops. These are not mere shadows, but creatures of extraordinary design. Bats, the only mammals to have conquered the night sky. Their leathery wings, stretching like living parchment, catch the last crimson hues of sunset as they emerge in fluttering waves, embarking on their nocturnal odyssey. Bats exist in a world beyond human perception, navigating through darkness with a sophistication that borders on the miraculous. Their secret lies in echolocation, a biological sonar system that transforms silence into a symphony of information. Each high-pitched click, far beyond the range of human hearing, paints a mental picture of their surroundings with astonishing precision. A moth fluttering 30 feet away becomes as visible as if bathed in sunlight. A strand of spiderweb stretched across their path might as well be lit by neon. This remarkable adaptation allows bats to hunt, avoid obstacles, and communicate in complete darkness, turning the night into their private domain. The diversity of bats is as breathtaking as their abilities. From the tiny bumblebee bat, weighing less than a penny, to the majestic flying foxes with wingspans stretching 5 feet, they have adapted to nearly every terrestrial habitat on Earth. Some specialize in catching fish, skimming the water's surface with clawed feet. Others have evolved to drink nectar, their long tongues coiling like party favors as they hover before tropical flowers. The vampire bats of Central and South America exhibit a surprising social intelligence, sharing blood meals with starving colony members through what can only be described as acts of calculated kindness. Their role in ecosystems is nothing short of vital. In the tropics, fruit bats are the silent gardeners of the forest, dispersing seeds across great distances with their droppings. In temperate zones, insectivorous bats perform nightly pest control, consuming thousands of mosquitoes and crop-damaging insects in a single evening. Without these aerial predators, our nights would be plagued by swarms, and our agricultural systems would falter under the weight of unchecked insect populations. Even their guano, accumulated over centuries in cave roosts, forms the basis of unique underground ecosystems, supporting everything from specialized bacteria to cave-adapted insects. The life cycle of bats reveals surprising parallels to our own. Many species form enduring social bonds, with mothers recognizing their pups among thousands in crowded nurseries by voice and scent. Some bats live remarkably long lives for their size. The Brandt's bat has been recorded living over 40 years in the wild, a testament to their evolutionary success. Their hibernation strategies border on the supernatural, with some species lowering their heart rate to just a few beats per minute, and surviving body temperatures that would kill other mammals. Yet for all their evolutionary brilliance, bats face unprecedented challenges in the modern world. White nose syndrome, a fungal plague, has wiped out millions of bats in North America. Habitat destruction and climate change threaten their roosting sites and food supplies. Even wind turbines, designed as green energy solutions, have become deadly obstacles for migrating bat populations. The delicate balance that has allowed bats to thrive for over 50 million years is now under threat, and with it, the countless ecosystem services they provide. But there is hope. Conservation efforts are showing success in protecting critical bat habitats. Artificial roosts are being designed to replace lost natural ones. Public education is slowly replacing fear with fascination as people come to understand these extraordinary creatures. Scientists continue to uncover medical marvels in bat physiology, from their incredible immune systems to their resistance to cancer. Discoveries that may one day benefit human medicine. As the first light of dawn creeps across the landscape, the bats return to their roosts, their nightly work complete. They fold their wings and settle into tight clusters, their body heat creating a microclimate of warmth. The outside world awakens to another day, largely unaware of the complex drama that unfolded in the darkness. Bats remind us that nature's most extraordinary stories often happen just beyond our notice, in the shadows we rarely think to examine. They are not creatures of horror, but of wonder, masters of adaptation that have much to teach us about resilience, community, and living in harmony with the night. In their silent flight, we find proof that evolution can craft miracles from darkness. In their sophisticated social structures, we see reflections of our own communities. And in their precarious position in today's changing world, we recognize our shared vulnerability and our shared responsibility to protect the delicate web of life that sustains us all. The story of bats is ultimately a story about our planet itself, complex, interconnected, and more marvelous than we often realize. As we come to understand these creatures of the night, we may yet learn to better appreciate the darkness they call home and our place within the greater tapestry of life on Earth.